I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. Not every burst is real. Some exist only to bait traders into traps. The market often moves to test patience before revealing truth. I spot the difference by reading reaction, not speed. Real moment never lies twice. Here we open two sell trades following the main trend direction. We can see that the zigzag indicator hasn't updated, but the fractal indicator has formed a new local high, which signals that after this movement, the downward trend is likely to continue. We also observe a MACD crossover from top to bottom, supported by strong histogram volume on the MACD. Additionally, there is a downward crossover on the ADX oscillator, confirming the same direction. Join my Sawyer community where I teach for free. Real strategy lesson and practice, free daily signals, step-by-step trading guide. Your results start the moment you take the first step. Tap below and enter the group. The advantage of this setup is that the current market section shows low volatility, which makes a trading with the trend based on these oscillator signals a reliable strategy, and the trades once again close in profit. Instinct isn't magic, it's trained memory. After hundreds of hours on charts, your brain recognizes rhythm. You just feel when your move is real. That's not guessing, that's refined pattern recall. Logic becomes intuition. Here we open two buy trades in the direction of the trend. Let's highlight the working area. The key point of this setup is the strong resistance zone. We observed a price pullback from this area, followed by a fractal update of the local low, while the zigzag indicator remained unchanged. This means that the price movement should now continue upward. We also notice a MACD crossover from bottom to top, which has already occurred right here, and the price continues to move upward. Opening a trade along the trend is always a higher probability entry, because the trend always works in favor of the trader. And once again, our trades close in profit. The market loves to repeat itself. Same pressure, same traps, same breakouts. Different days. When you've seen 100 impulses, the next one feels familiar. That recognition speeds up your decision making. Experience replaces analysis. I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you're already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible. Most traders lose because they try to learn alone. I made it simple. My Telegram group gives you everything. Free training and breakdowns, live practice on real charts, and free daily signals with 70% win rate. Join now and see what real guide feels like.